This is California Incense Cedar. Now, it has a similar shape as American Arborvitae, also called Northern White Cedar, but the difference is American Arborvitae gets stressed out in late summer drought and lets out a pheromone that attracts bagworms. But this here needs the opposite. It wants to dry out in late summer. So this is a better choice. The only difference in conditions, soil conditions, is the American Arborvitae likes moist alkaline soil, a lot of times clay over limestone, and the California Incense Cedar has to have soil that is maximum 30% clay. So years back when I planted this, I had to amend the soil real well around the base because this is high clay around here.